Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you use adjectives for describing clothes. This is lesson 2 of 3. Lesson 1 is describing people's general appearance. This is lesson 2, describing clothes, and there is a lesson 3, describing hair. This is for beginners, elementary, Certificate 1 English students. Describing clothes. We will look at 3 different ways to describe clothes. 1 is colour, 2 is style, 3 is pattern. So we'll start with colour. So we have some pictures for you. We have jeans, the colour blue. So we say blue jeans, the colour is first. We have a t-shirt, the colour is red. So we would say a red t-shirt. Colour is first before the noun, the name t-shirt. We have shorts, the colour brown. So we say brown shorts, the colour is first. And then the noun, the name. A green skirt, colour and noun, green skirt. A purple dress, a yellow scarf, a pink beanie. Okay, so now let's look. We will write a sentence to describe someone wearing these clothes. We start our sentence with who is doing the action and the action. Who, he, the action is wearing blue jeans and a red t-shirt. 2 more items, dress and shoes. So we'll make a sentence. She, who is she, action, is wearing. She is wearing a purple dress and black high-heeled shoes. Next is style. So this man is wearing a uniform. For some jobs we have to wear special clothes, a uniform. Formal clothes, casual clothes. So let's make a sentence here. He is wearing is a man, so he, the verb is wearing. Now he has these clothes on. He is wearing a uniform. Our next picture. There are 2 people here, so we will change and say they. They are wearing formal clothes. It's a woman this time, or a girl. She is wearing casual clothes. Number 3 is pattern. Spotted, striped, animal print, checkered. Let's make a sentence here. She is wearing a spotted skirt. In a new sentence, he is wearing striped pants. She is wearing an animal print shirt. He is wearing checkered pants. Now we will write some sentences. Our first picture. So she is wearing blue jeans, a brown top, and a red and white hat. We have described 3 different items of clothing: jeans, her top, and her hat. Our next picture, she is wearing a blue top, brown pants, and black shoes. So again, we described 3 different items of clothes: her top, her pants, and her shoes. This picture has 2 people, so we start different. They are wearing formal clothes. Then we add she. She is wearing a green dress and he is wearing a black suit. So our first sentence is our style of clothes. And in sentence number 2, we describe what she is wearing and what he is wearing. Now it's your turn. Describe your clothes. What are you wearing? Try to put at least 3 items into your sentence. I am wearing blue jeans, a blue t-shirt, and black shoes, for example. Then describe somebody you know, maybe your friend or somebody from your family. What are they wearing? You can watch this video again to learn more words. Practice writing with adjectives to describe clothes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.